Tired of fighting your snowblower every winter? Welcome to WholeToolBox. Pull the starter rope and hear nothing? Don't worry, you're not alone. First, make sure the fuel valve is on, the choke is set to full choke, the ignition is on, and press the primer bulb 3 times. Pull the rope again. Still nothing? Check the fuel tank. Stale or empty gas can prevent starting. Next, inspect the spark plug. A wet plug means fuel is reaching the engine. A dry plug could mean a clogged carburetor. Always use fresh fuel and add a stabilizer to keep it clean. Test for spark with a spark tester, replace the plug if needed, and reconnect the wire. With fuel, spark, and air in place, your snowblower should roar back to life in no time. Visit WholeToolBox.com for top quality snowblowers and essential parts from trusted brands. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.